Good morning. I am Padmini. In our previous video, we have already discussed the 6 stanzas of your poem, that is the Ballad of Father Gilligan. So what happened in the last stanza, or we can say in the 6th stanza? Father Gilligan, or we can say the old priest Father Gilligan, he awoke guilty stricken and thought he had neglected his duty. Then after what happened? Let's see in other stanzas. So let's read your stanza number 7. Mabron, Mabron, the man has died while I slept on the chair. He roused his horse out of its sleep and rode with little care. So, आमे फर्स्ट कठिन शब्द गुड़ाकर अर्थ जानिमा. मैब्रन 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 होउची गोटे इरिश वर्ड. यार अर्थ होउची द एक्सप्रेशन और एन एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ सरो. आमे जेमती यूज करू या जगह रे आलास, जो इंटरजेक्शन आमे यूज करू आलास, मार्बन माने आलास. सेमती रोड रोड होउची गोटे पास्ट फॉर्म ऑफ राइट, RIT. एटा स्पेशली केतेबेले यूज हुए जेतेबेले आमे घोड़ा चढ़ी की जाऊ, सेतेबेले आमे यूज करू रोड. Mabron, Mabron, the man has died while I slept on the chair. Here, Peter Gilligan, he became very sad. And what he said? He said the sick man might have died while he slept on his chair. Then what happened? He rode his horse, means he awoke his horse and he marched towards the sick man's house. एटी कौन करचंदी हठात से जेते से बहुत दुख प्रकाश करचंदी जे से जेते बळे सोई पडिथिले बोधे से लोकटा मर जायथिबो से ताहा माने सेटा सब कथा से उडा भाबिचंती भाबी से कौन करचंती संग संगे घोड़ा ऊपर चढ़ी के से सिक मैन घर आड़ को अतिक्रम करचंती. सो आफ्टर दैट व्हाट हैपेंड? लेट्स सी इन द स्टांजा नंबर 8. लेट्स रीड द स्टांजा नंबर 8 of your book. He rode now as he never rode by rocky land and fen. The sick man's wife opened the door. Father, you come again. He rode now as he never rode by rocky land and fen. Rocky रो अर्थ कौन? Rocky land माने पथुरिया रास्ता. सेमती फैन माने जेमती आमे कहि परिबा संत संतिया रास्ता किंबा कादुओ रास्ता को फैन बोली भी कहा जाए. Marsy land बोली भी कहा जाए. He rode now as he never rode by rocky land and fen. This two line means Father Gilligan rode so fast without caring for his safety on rocky, you can say rough or in the marsy road. माने एठी हमें कहि परिबा जे समस्त प्रकार असुविधा को भ्रुक्षेप न करी फादर गिलिगन मारी चलचंती सिकमैन रो घर पटो. After that, what happened? When he reached the sick man's house, the sick man's wife opened the door. What the sick man's wife did? She opened the door. She opened the door and she was surprised. And she asked Father Gilligan why he had come again. जेतेबेले से sick man रो wife Father Gilligan को देखिछि से पूरा आश्चर्य हो जाइछि. आश्चर्य है कि पचारची आउ थरे फादर गिलिगन काहे के आछंती आउ थरे फादर गिलिगन काहे के आछंती. ओके, लेट्स रीड द स्टांजा 9 of your book. And is the poor man dead? He cried. He died an hour ago. The old priest Peter Gilligan in grief swayed to and fro. Grief माने दुखरे, swayed माने moved from place to place, from this side to that side, to and fro we can say also. माने गोटे पटरु आ गोटे पटकु जेमती बुलिबा सेटा को स्वेड बोली कहा जाय. And is the poor man dead? He cried. He means here Peter Gilligan. Peter Gilligan anxiously or eagerly asked the sick man's wife whether her husband was dead or the sick man had died. The sick man's wife replied, her husband was dead before an hour. The old priest Peter Gilligan in grief said to and fro. These two line mean he moved here and there. He moved here and there in grief or in sorrow. दुखरे एपट सेपट को से होबा को लागिले. And he repented for failing to attend to the sick man. सेठी रिपेंट करूचंदी, पश्चाताप करूचंदी जे मु सिक मैन रो पाखरे उपस्थित होई रही पारली नाही किंबा सिक मैन को मु धर्म बाणी सुनी पारली नाही. से दुख प्रकाश करचंदी आ एपट को सेपट को बुलिबा को लागिचंदी. जेमति आमे कहू कि इतस्तत मेंटल स्टेबल जेमति तांकर नथिला, एपट सेपट हबा को लागिले. एते दुख अनुभव करचंदी से निज को निज कंट्रोल रखि पार नाहंती. एपट को सेपट से बुलिबार लागिचंदी. Let's read the stanza 10 of your book. When you were gone, he turned and died, as merry as a bird. The old priest Peter Gilligan, he knelt him at the throat. So here in this stanza, the poor man's wife, or we can say the sick man's wife, she said, after Father Gilligan's departure, her husband had died. Her husband had died, and how he died? He died peacefully. Means as merry as a bird. Peacefully he died. The old priest Peter Gilligan, he knelt him at the throat. Having heard these words, Peter Gilligan, we can say he became so grateful to God. He knelt down in gratitude and prayed to God. It कौन ही ची जेतेबेले से सुनिबा को पाइची जे से जो सिक मैन्स वाइफ जेतेबेले कहिची जे तार हस्बैंड शांति रे मृत्युवरण करचंती. सेतेबेले से कौन करचंती? पीटर गिलिगन भगवान पाखरे क्षमा प्रार्थना करचंती. आ जो भगवान तांको ऊपर जो दया करचंती से ताको कोन श्रेष्ठ बोली मानिचंती जे भगवान बहुत दयालु. आ से कौन करचंती? आंठू मारी के बसी की भगवान पाखरे प्रार्थना करचंती. So let's go to your stanza number 11. So let's read the 11th stanza of your book. He who hath made the night of stars for souls who tire and bleed, send one of his great angels down to help me in my need. जेमती एठी कठिन शब्द रहला HATH hath means has HAS. सेमती टायर माने जेमती क्लांत अनुभव करथिबा बा क्लांत. आउ ब्लीड मीन्स सफरिंग. आउ जेमती कहा जाय परिबो जे असुस्थ लोक मानक मध्य. he refers to Almighty or God. God had created the night which is full of stars. Why? People, those who were tired or ill or suffering can take rest. So in other two lines, sent one of his great angels down to help me in my need. In this two line, Father Gilligan realized that God had sent one of his angels to this universe in guise of Father Gilligan to the sick man's house to perform or to carry out all the priestly obligations, we can say. At which time? When Father Gilligan was sleeping on the chair, or we can say he was dozing off on the chair also, or he was taking rest on the chair. So here we can understand the kindness of God. God helps those who are kind. God helps those who are dutiful. So let's read your stanza number 12, which is the last stanza of this poem. He who is wrapped in purple robes with planets in his care had pity on the least of things asleep upon a chair. So wrapped माने cover करिबाटा. Robes माने clothes जेमती आमे ड्रेस गुडाक. With planets in his bed. Planets means जेमती हमर पृथ्वी गोटे होची planet. Had pity on the least of things asleep upon a chair. He who is wrapped in purple robes. Here, the priest was deeply grateful to God. Deeply grateful to God who wore the purple robes, who wore the purple clothes, who is the king of the kings, or who is the monarch of this universe. Here Peter Gilligan wondered. से पूरा आश्चर्यचकित होई पड़चंती. काहे कि आश्चर्यचकित होई पड़चंती? Because God had shown tremendous mercy or kindness or pity, we can say, on the smallest creature, or the smallest and the humblest creature like Peter Gilligan. So भगवान एठी कौन करचंती? भगवान एठी सबुठु छोटो क्रिएचर को मध्य तांकर काइंडनेस देखैचंती, तांकर पीटी देखैचंती, दया देखैचंती. So when we talk about this, all the 12 stanza, when we sum up the poem, means we can get here that God is omnipresent, God is everywhere. God helps those persons, those who are kind, those who are sincere, faithful, and those who are dutiful. So the theme of the poem is God's kindness towards its dutiful, faithful, and sincere children. Thank you.